For this one, it is the fence post, and as you can see, the fence post is with the double layer structure, so there is it can make the fence much strong. And the specification is 80 by 80 millimeter. So when you install, you just need to make the panel into the channel directly. This is the slice panel design. And then you make the spacer, and you can make the slice panel next. And this is the privacy panel design. It is the same. You can make it into the fence post directly. And we also have another fence post. For this one, you need to connect anything with the trench. This is the trench, and it match with the fence post. Okay. And then we made the fence panel into the trench. For this type of the fence post, it will make the fence will be much strong, as we will install the screws here, and then we will make the cover to hinder the screws, so we cannot see any screws from outside, and it will make it more elegant. For this one, it is the fence post with the trench, and this fence post is also with the double layer structure.